Hey everybody, I hope you're staying safe out there. I want to talk to you a little bit about Fusion. So Fusion is basically taking the church, condensing it into small groups, and fellowshipping. You get a personal experience with like-minded individuals that are in similar places in life and in your faith. You get to grow together. A personal experience for me was I was going through obstacles as far as trying to buy or build a house, invest in a property, or start a business. I had the opportunity to lean on a group rather than take these things on by myself. And we put our heads together, we consulted with each other, and really had really great outcomes. So that was the push and the nudge that I needed to really take the next step and leap in my life. As far as my faith, it's stronger than ever because I have a support system. If we have scriptures, we have the opportunity to really dive into those together and get a better understanding of the text. But if you're not in a group, I highly encourage you to be in a group. It's a great way to work with people within the church, but also have a community within a community. So a smaller community that's a lot more personable and you have easier access to. So if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to join the 30-ish group that I'm in. We're really excited to have new members, and I know you'll love it. Have a great day.
Hi everyone, my name is CAROLYN, and me and my husband are Fusion hosts for the group The Torch, insert fire emoji. So, what can I say about Fusion? Fusion has been a tremendous blessing in our lives. We have grown so much spiritually, and it's because we've been able to dive deep into the Word, just seek understanding. I will say that I am new at this. I haven't been a host for that long, but in our last meetup, we talked about serving in our community. And during this time, I was able to, talk about my experience as a first-generation Nigerian American being raised by Nigerian immigrant parents. And that was definitely an interesting conversation. We were real with one another, and we also shared laughs. And at some point, we broke into praise and worship, and 2 hours went by. But that's Fusion for you. When we get real, we get real. But it's also nice to know that you can come together, you can with like-minded people and share your faith. And I'm so excited to be a part of something that is impactful yet necessary. So go and sign up today, guys. Don't wait another second. Fusion is amazing and it will change your life.
My name is KEHINDE Komalafe, and I'm here to talk to you about Fusion. Fusion is a smaller group of people meeting outside of the church. We can meet in cafes, people's homes. Right now we meet virtually. And for me, Fusion has helped me nurture great relationships. When I mean great relationships, great people, great families, single, married. I have all from all walks of life. Amazing people that helps you pray together, share ideas, someone you can talk to. People I've met in my Fusion group are now my kids' auntie. Basically, they go there, stay over for the weekend, so we travel together. So Fusion has really helped me. For me, I used to be a stay-at-home mom, so I needed a place to connect, to be deeply rooted, a community that would help me outside of church, if you know what I mean. Because church is large. The pastor would not totally connect with you one-on-one. How many people really can you possibly connect with? So the Fusion has really helped me make good relationships. So I urge you today, find a Fusion that works great for you. Join one. You will not regret it. I promise you. It will help you be rooted in Christ. And I pray that God be with you. Stay safe. Stay awesome. God bless you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Maggie Augustine, and I am here today to talk to you about Fusion. My experience with Fusion. Well, I'm Haitian, and I grew up in a Haitian church. We didn't have Fusion, or we didn't have anything that's part of a small group at all. It was church all the time, but no small group. when I moved to Texas, I was busy working, going to work, traveling, no social life. And when I've gone to church, people say, "Are you part of a group? Are you part of a small group or anything like that?" And I'm like, "No, I don't have time. I'm like sleepy, tired. I'm going home to sleep." I decided to join small group. I decided to join Fusion small group. And let me tell you about my outcome. I gained so much. I've gained love, support, friends, family, accountability partner. And not only that, anything that I need, if I need someone to talk to, someone to reach out to, someone to uplift me in prayer, someone to read the Bible with me, guess what? I have those people. If I'm going through anything that is painful emotionally, whatever it is, I have those people. And I thank God that I am part of Fusion because of the fact that that group that I'm part of make me whole. Like, I'm happy. I'm like literally happy because I have those people. And so if you're not part of a small group, please join a Fusion group today. Believe me, your life will change today.
Hello, New Covenant House. I'm Anthony. This is my lovely wife, SHAN, and we're part of the Fusion group in the Little Elm area. Since joining, we've had a lot of fun connecting with other members outside of the church setting.
Fusion has been a big part of our lives in the last year. It has given us a sense of community, and we're able to support and advocate for each other. It is also important during this pandemic when resources are not readily available. As an officer within our Fusion group, we've been able to successfully execute 2 food drives. And it is also important that we show our children the importance of giving back to the community and how helping one another shows love and compassion.
And in addition to that, you actually get to be a part of a family. You're welcomed into a judgment-free zone that allows you to share your thoughts and opinions, form long-lasting friendships, and also share the Word of God. So do yourself a favor and join the Fusion group today.
Amen.
God bless.
Hello guys, my name is Terbi Doniega. I'm an international student of Baylor University. I spent my last 2 years in Dallas, Texas for a bone marrow transplant procedure to take care of my sickle cell anemia. Initially, I started attending Jesus House Dallas, then I got involved with a Fusion group. When my whole transplant procedure became a success, and by the grace of God, I am now sickle cell free, I first shared my testimony with my Fusion group. And trust me, even though I was new, they were the best people I could have shared that story with. They embraced me. They were so happy for me. They tapped into my blessings. They tapped into my testimony. Also, Dapo, which is our leader, and his family opened their hands up to me. Even though I had moved away from Dallas to continue my schooling in Waco, they still check up on me. They still make sure I'm doing all right. They've become a whole big family to me, and I am so grateful. So I would urge you to join a Fusion group because trust me, God is using all of them there to reach out to people, and they have been so good to me all these years. Also, the food is so good. It's such a great incentive. Dapo cooks the best fish, so join them. Thank you.
Good morning, NCH. My name is MOREN, AKINKOYE, and I'm super excited to share more about Fusion with you today. Our Fusion groups are an intimate space for believers to do life. It's literally a place where you can come to hang out, dig deep into the Word, share real life experiences with one another. It's not your hey, how you doing type of relationship. It's like a let's get real and get deep kind of relationship. It's like a this is what's going on with me, how would you handle it type of situation. What we found was that as we grew out as a church, it was important to make sure that we were creating those smaller, intimate settings for people to build true connections that are harder to build on Sundays. So if you haven't been part of a Fusion group so far, I encourage you to hop on the app and scan through and look at our at the hosts that we have available and see what ministers to you and who you would like to join. Our Fusion hosts are amazing people that are charged to just create an environment that feels comfortable and safe. Different Fusion groups work differently. Some are typically meeting at someone's house, and others are meeting at coffee shops. The beauty of this season is that they are all virtual, and all Fusion meetings will be held in some type of a Zoom or Google Hangout type setting. So once you sign up, we'll reach out and we'll be in touch. It used to be that fusion groups were about your geographic location, not anymore. Thanks to COVID and thanks to our new fusion structure that allows you to go to a fusion group that feels the most comfortable and best for you. So thank you so much for hearing me out. I hope that we'll see you on a fusion group meeting soon. And please, if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to fusion@newchdallas.com, and we will be happy to support you. We have a solid team, and shameless plug, if you're listening to this and thinking you would like to be a fusion host, we would love to have you be.